Hey, what's up guys, Nick here, K4Key, and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a new channel or a new brand to your current email that you're using. You shouldn't have to create a new email at all. Okay, so first, what you want to do is click the like button and subscribe down below for more videos like this. Also, be sure to check out my ASMR channel I've recently just started. Let's get into the video. Right, so what you want to do is you want to click on your profile picture. Obviously, come to YouTube, make sure you're signed in to your main account. And you click on your icon up here, go down to settings. Okay, you'll be produced with this lovely little page. Let's say change in the future. This is for 2021 at the moment as it currently stands, so this might change in the future. So bear in mind, keep an eye out for an update video if that does change. Okay, you want to go to add or manage your channels. So click on that. In here, you are presented with a list of your current channels that's under your current email you're using. You'll do is you want to create a channel, so click on create channel. You'll come to this page, so you'll do something like you'll put whatever you want your new channel name to be, test account, blah blah, and just click create, and there you go. You'll come up with that. I'm obviously not going to create one because I'm not too sure how to get rid of an account yet. I want to get rid of a couple. But yeah, this is all we do really. Hope this video's helped you out, guys. If you have a question, be sure to pop it in the comment section down below. Hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are. If this video has helped you out, be sure to leave me a big thumbs up down below or click the dislike button if it hasn't. Till next time, guys, take care. Love you all. See you in the next one.